Now another trick that I wanted to show you has to do with this little icon up here, which you'll also see appear down here in the track list down here, and it would appear in this column under Mode. Now what this does is it changes the level of detail that the camera is able to see. So when I click on it here, when I go to this flower, basically it's telling us that now we're in macro mode. In macro mode, I'm not seeing as much detail as I am here, but if I were to zoom in on this lily that I created, we'll go to the Lily's onboard camera. You can't see the lily here because it's a tiny object until you select the macro camera, and when you do, you can see this tiny little plant that I created here. So let's give our free camera this onboard camera view by selecting this, and now what I'll do is I'll start to back up from this, and as I do, you'll notice that I can still see this. I can switch to the normal camera view and back up, and you'll see that the plant starts to come in. So really fine detail seems to be lost when you're close up on things when you're using the normal camera, but just get in as close as you want using the macro camera for really close-ups. And by the same token, if I go back to our aerial view with the onboard camera, you'll notice that this right now still shows the macro camera selection. So when you change this, you're effectively working in a global view. In other words, you can change this at any time and all of your camera views will be affected by that. Now the time and place to create track changes, that is to say to be able to jump from one of these cameras to another camera, allows you, when you start populating this list, which we haven't gotten to yet, to specifically say that you want that camera to use the macro or the long distance view. So that would be the way to do that. So just play around with that and you'll see how it works. Okay, thanks.